peaceful mountain cabin, comes mostly furnished and is ready to move into. Sellers have recently had the septic and pest report cleared and carpets replaced downstairs. Oversized carport is great for covered parking, plus attached is a lockable workshop. For ease, the master bedroom is located on the main level and boasts of a huge walk-in closet great for additional storage or small nursery. The kitchen had a bit of remodeling done a few years back and offers enough room for several cooks, all at the same time. Additional amenities include large great room, open dining room, indoor laundry room, and 2 additional upstairs bedrooms. Call for an appointment today.